What?
Look. Stop. Look. Let me use these chips to hide my own. I ate already, so you know. Yeah. Look, I came prepared for this. Alright? You heard how I said that? I came prepared. Whatever. I came prepared for this. I dressed like a chip for this. You see what's going on, right? Trails. I'm only doing this because you sent the video, so this is me just taking on y'all requests. So if you guys request something, I'm gonna try it out. The other request was by my boy James and Green Demon, so on and so forth. So if you guys keep requesting stuff, I'll do it, whatever, right? But what we're making today is mashed potatoes from chips. Now, typically, you would use, you know, the classics. We're gonna switch it up. We're gonna do a little bit of the sour cream and cheddar, all right? He gonna take care of this. No free promo. No free. Listen, this is the chips that we're using, all right? So we're gonna change this shit out and give it to you, okay? This should be a fast video. All right, so we're gonna take this bag of chips. This is like this is like a nightmare as a snack eater, a snack lover, right? I'm about to pour a whole bag of chips into some. Was that an appearance?
You said bag of chips. I'm done.
So this, as a snack eater, this is gonna suck. How you feel about this? Watching a perfectly bag of chips get fucking eviscerated and turned into mush.
It ain't good.
It ain't good at all. I can't do it. I need somebody else's arm, dude. I'm not even in a mood for chips, so fuck it.
The whole bag.
The whole bag. Isn't that what she did? What they did, these disgusting motherfuckers. Okay. Hold on. Like boiled chips. Yeah, what they did was they did this, okay? Family, don't judge me. The kids in the family know what I'm doing because they on TikTok, okay? They probably did this. You wanna just boil down and turn into something. Bruh, I don't know about this shit. Okay, I think this is where they stop. I don't know what's going on. We got a backup bag of chips. If it don't work, I don't care because I don't care to eat this. So let's take this, right, and transfer it into our strainer. What spawns an idea like this? Do you go to like a gas station and say, I only got 75 cents, I can't make dinner, I want mashed potatoes, I really want mashed potatoes, I can't get a box of Hungry Jack or, I don't know, with instant mashed potatoes or potatoes? Idaho? It's looking like, hey, you see it though, right? Mm-hmm. Hold on, they's probably on the sign.
The shit falling.
You think we can? You taking this home with you?
No, I'm saying you wanted to eat it all, didn't you?
I ain't want to eat all of this.
You the only one that's gonna be eating that shit because I ain't tasting it.
You tasting this?
You a funny ass dude, man.
Deshaun, get him out of here. I'm gonna take this. I don't know what I'm doing, bro. This is probably like the Terrell, bro. I don't know what the fuck you got me doing, but this shit is like probably the worst shit. I'm gonna just do this over here. But this is like the worst thing I could think. Like, what the fuck? Alright, let's get this in here. This is so gross, bro. This shit is like a science project. Okay. So now I seen a lady put milk in it, right? This is some lactose-free milk, right? Fuck it, just get it all in there. And she put some garlic powder, some onion powder. Okay. Obviously, you ain't fucking with leaving it. Whatever, right? Let's stir that up. Turn it down because it's going crazy. I don't know what medium heat is. They be like, turn it to medium. Nah, man, I gotta get out of here. I gotta go to work. I work from home. Listen. I don't know about this, bro. Alright, I wanted to add a little extra to it, so I wanted to put some sour cream in it because you put sour cream inside your taters, right? And you know, I probably knocked out all of the the sour cream anyway. I don't know, my boy. Then we're gonna put some salt for a twist, or from both. Count that. All right, and then we're gonna put the cheech at the cheech, bro. And this is it. Should I put more cheech in it? I'm gonna put it in this because I don't really. I'm gonna just toss this. This is what is this? $13 for a bag of cheech. I'm gonna let y'all know how this tastes, alright? I'll let you know. I'll speak on the behalf of us. Because it's, month, whatever. Alright? It's just valid or not. Alright. I'm scared, bro. I really don't want to eat this. But, fuck it. It's really smooth, though. You see that?
Let's see.
Nah, that's not valid. That shit is gross. That's not good, bro. So if you out there eat, hold on, I'm gonna try it one more time, bruh. This ain't it. It smells good. It smell like the chips.
It tastes like white potato chip.
That's what I swear to God I was about to say that. It's like you see it. It's smooth, guys. It's smooth. It's smooth, but for some strange reason, it's thick and it still has the consistency of wet potato chips. It's like you ate a bag of chips. You eating a bag of chips and you chewing and you just going crazy. You eating like just 600 chips in your mouth. Pause. Just chewing it, and that's what it tastes like with no flavor. So I'm gonna try it one more time. Oh, I can't, bro. That food is gross. It's like somebody bird fed me some fucking chips. Look, that was a fail. Nobody, do not try that. Alright, you can add some salt, a little salt to it or whatever. She did put butter. I forgot the butter, but that wasn't gonna carry that dish. That shit was gross. So, with that being said, it was worth the try. That shit is so nasty. Do not eat that, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for checking out the videos. And just look out for the next ones to come. Because I'll try more stuff like that. Just recommend it. I'll speak on the behalf of us. That shit is gross. Catch you guys next time. That shit was nasty, bro. That shit was nasty.
It was.
That shit was